something in the mail about your car's extended warranty. Since we have not gotten a response, we are giving you a final courtesy call before we close out your file. Press 2 to be removed and put on our do not call list. Press 1 to speak with someone about possibly extending or reinstating.
Yes, hello, good day. This is Ashley calling from the warranty division. Can you please provide the year, make, and model of your car?
There's a whistle coming.
Okay, since you're not interested...
No, there's a whistle coming.
Say goodbye.
Call from HA.
And
Hi, this call is from Social Security Administration Office. My name is Officer Amanda Barnes, and the purpose of the call...
here it comes.
Thank you for choosing Marriott Hotels. We would like to inform you that your telephone number was qualified by our booking system to receive an all-inclusive complimentary stay.
Hi, my name is Jason, calling you from Energy Advocate.
Yeah, this is, there's a whistle coming. Ah, damn it.
You are currently caller number 6, waiting to speak with a representative. Thank you for your patience.
Hello, my name is Karen. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with today?
Hi, my name is Greg, calling you...
Call from Rochester.
And there we are.
Thank you for choosing BJ's Travel. You've been selected to receive a $1,000 voucher.
Woo!
For
$1,000.
press 0 now. If you wish to opt out,
Whistle's coming.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Alex. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with?
we would like to inform you that because you have stayed at one of our properties, your telephone number was qualified by our booking system to receive an all-inclusive complimentary stay. For further details, press 0 now. To be placed on the do not call list, press 2 now. You are currently caller number 12, waiting to speak with a representative.
Oh, yeah, I'm
Thank
gonna
you
wait.
for your patience.
I'm gonna wait. Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Hi, thanks so much for holding on the line. This is David. Who do you have the pleasure to be...